The Exodus is the central narrative of our redemption. And here is a modern situation. Shall we do nothing?
We could not have gotten anywhere had not Protestants, Catholics, and Jews showed up from all over the world.
The human rights challenges of our day, they hang on me. They hang on you. They hang on who? They hang on us.
This legacy of blacks and Jews working together for freedom, justice, and equality, I think more people need to know about that.
It's an American history story that needs to be taught because it's one of the most important stories that remind people of our common humanity.
There are too many people living in fear. We need to pull together the generation yet unborn.
The soul of America is at stake.